In this video, I want to talk about the journey of personal growth, personal development, and a comment that I get all the time, which is, you don't understand, like, you make it sound so easy. It's not that easy. Of course it's not. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. It's oh my goodness, like I got so many different emotions and feelings going on right now. It's not easy. Personal growth, personal development is not easy. It's hard. You fail all the time. You put yourself into these contexts where you realize that you're not as developed as a person as you had hoped. You go out there into a social situation or whatever it is, and you get shot down before you even have a chance to speak, and then you take that internally and you're like, well, I guess I'm not attractive enough, I'm not cool enough, I've got nothing, no self-worth. Or you go on an entrepreneurial venture, you create something and you put it out to the world, and then nothing. It's just crickets, nothing happens, and you take that as like, well, I failed. I am the failure. Or you want to start doing art. You want to start playing music. You want to do something like that, and you just can't get started. You want to do it. The drive is there, but it's not clicked. It's not complete. Something about it is just holding you back from actually starting, and you just perpetuate some other bad habit. You load up a game again and, play through something that's mildly frustrating. And then at the end of the day, you're just like, well, at least I didn't have the negative voices. So I just want to tell you about what I've learned through this. Okay, and this is more stuff like, you'll probably say, well, you don't understand, it's not that easy, but hear me out, okay? It's not meant to be easy. If it were easy, I've said this before, if it were easy, you would have already done it. It wouldn't have been an issue. You wouldn't have the struggle. You wouldn't be watching YouTube videos on how to better yourself. Because you would already be perfect. Because it would be easy, right? And that doesn't make sense. That's like somebody power leveling up your character for you and just giving it to you. And oh, this is cool. I can do all the fun endgame raids and stuff, but where's the growth moments? Where's the learning? I don't even know how to use this character because it's just been given to me and everything's perfect, right? You have to go through these series, these arcs and story events of your life where you get beat down. You can't do the things, and you take it and you analyze it, you look at it, you dissect it and say, okay, well, how do I make this a bit better? How do I make myself better, right? Because it's not about, wishing that it were easier. It's about wishing that you were better. So taking that and saying, how can I use this event, this situation to look at it and say, okay, I need to grow these skills. I need to build these skills. I need to put time and energy and focus into these certain aspects of my life so that I can live a better life. It's not about giving into the situation, and saying, well, I don't want to do art right now. I don't really feel like it, or whatever it is. And then just, okay, well, maybe next time. It's about training yourself to do it every time so that you don't bargain with yourself about the things that you need to do in your life to live a better life. It's so important to think like that. It's so important to be like, I don't want to do it, and I'm going to do it anyway. Because I know it's going to set my life up for a better situation down the road. That's how you get to fight the dragons and the bosses in your life. Is by continuously going out there and challenging yourself and practicing and growing your comfort zone bit by bit so that you have more security and sense of self in the world, and your talents and your skills and the things that you want to do in life. So next time something comes up and you're just like, I wish this were easier. No, stop yourself and just tell yourself that I need to do this because this is where I want my life to be in the future. You know, and this is the first step, whatever that is. You know, and sorry if I rustled some jimmies throughout this video. Like, I know a lot of us go through this, and it's something that I've felt, I still feel quite often. So I'm not invulnerable to this. This is something that goes through me too. Is like, why can't I figure this out? Like, I wish it were easier. But that's not the right mindset. You know, you got to take it and grow yourself so that you can conquer the challenges. You got to like gear up. You got to level up, you know, yourself so that you emerge into this higher level being and you can handle the challenges. So I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share, subscribe. It really helps me out, and comment down below. Also, if you want one-on-one coaching, you can go to geekpsychology.com and go schedule a free clarity session where we can go through one of your problems, one of your issues, whatever it is, and get some clarity on it, find your next step forward, and I can also decide, and you can decide as well, if you're a good match for one-on-one coaching for a 3-month package. I've gotten amazing results so far with it. Well, I haven't, but my clients have, and I've enjoyed it too. But if that's something that you're interested in, please sign up for a clarity session first. It's free. There's no harm to it. Just make sure you show up. You know, don't leave me just waiting. I don't like that. And if you want more videos like this on personal development, check them out over here. All right, love you guys. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace. Let's hope my mic worked. I feel like I can disco.